How to change payment method on AliExpress. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change payment method on AliExpress. To do so, first of all, open your AliExpress application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see the account icon. Tap on it, and in this page here at the bottom, you will need to scroll a bit down. Here you'll be able to locate payment option. Tap on payment. Here, if you have added a card previously, you'll be able to see the card here. And from here, if you want to edit it, you can simply tap on the edit button. Here I have not added any card yet, so I'm not able to see any cards here. But if you have added it, you'll be able to get manage card option. Simply tap on it and edit your card. Or else if you want to add a new card, simply tap on this add card button at the right side of it. And once you reach to this page, here you will need to add all the details of your card. Tap on the first box and enter the card number. You can also tap on the scanner icon at the right side of it and scan your card. Once after entering the card number, tap on the second box and enter the name exactly as on card. After that, enter the expiration date and enter the security code of your card. This will be located at the back side of your card. Once after entering all the details, tap on the save button at the bottom and then you'll be able to add card on AliExpress. Also, if you want to change between PayPal or other payment method, you can go to the home page and tap on the card icon at the bottom. Then here choose a product and tap on checkout at the bottom right. Under it, here you'll be able to locate payment method. Tap on the option and here you'll be able to find different payment options. You can also tap on view more button right here, but these options are not available as the payment amount is below the minimum requirement. You can select between these options if they are available in your account. Then tap on this confirm button at the bottom and you can now use this payment method in order to pay for your order. So by following these steps, you should be able to change payment method on AliExpress. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.